In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button hover effect in Figma. By the end, you'll have a button that subtly animates when your cursor moves over it using Figma's built-in prototyping tools. We'll start fresh, pull in a ready-made button component, wire up a hover interaction, fine-tune the animation, and then preview it so you can see the effect in action. First, head to figma.com and open Figma in your browser or desktop app. Create a new project so you're working in a clean space. This gives you a blank canvas and an organized file where you can add components and test interactions without distractions. If you already have a project open, you can do this right inside an existing file as well. Next, look to the left sidebar and switch to the Assets tab. This panel lets you browse components from your current file and any enabled libraries. Use the search field at the top and type button. You should see a list of button components from your local file or from any design system you've turned on. Pick a button that fits your style, preferably one that includes states like default and hover. Click it, then choose Insert Instance to drop it onto your canvas. Position it where you want it and adjust the label in the right sidebar if needed. With the button on the canvas, select it and move to the right sidebar's Prototype tab. Here's where we wire the interaction. Add an interaction with the trigger set to On Hover, and for the action, choose Change To. This tells Figma to transition the button from its default appearance to another variant when your cursor hovers over it. In the target, select the hover version of the button component. Under Animation, choose Smart Animate. This option creates a smooth transition between the two states, matching properties like fill color, stroke, corner radius, shadows, and even subtle size changes. For a clean, responsive feel, set the easing to something like ease out and a duration around 150 to 200 milliseconds. That's quick enough to feel snappy, but slow enough to be noticeable. Now click the preview button to open the prototype window, hover your cursor over the button, and watch the change. If nothing happens, confirm that your button component has a hover variant and that the interaction points to it. Smart Animate works best when matching layers and properties between states, so consistent layer names help. That's it, your button now responds on hover with a polished animated effect. Save your file and you're ready to reuse this interaction across your designs.